one and listens to no one. Its decision to suspend CBA negotiation on monetary gains and the proposal to scrap allowances have been made without stakeholder participation and is unfair to the Kenyan workers.
KMPDU has negotiated and agreed with KNH on all issues pertaining to the workers of KNH, to their members, to the doctors and to the nurses. But SRC, in their own opinion, without any consultation or without understanding the nature of work that these workers are doing at KNH, decided to object and say there's no any negotiation that need to be done.
Sisi kama wafanyikazi wa umma tunataka SRC ibanduliwe. Itabanduliwa. Si kana kwamba tutaweza kuweka constitutional crisis. Sisi tunaweza kucollect signature zaidi ya milioni 1. Na tupeleke wapi? Parliament. Ndio sasa safari ya kuiondoa kisheria ya kuondoa SRC itakuwa imeanza.
We cannot continue languishing in poverty while we are endowed with resources in this country adequate for everyone.
Solidarity forever.